Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, my friend and I are going for a launch of the new Chanel Spring Summer 2020 collection that just came to the boutiques, and I'm very excited about it. I will show you some bags, some ready to wear, some items from Coco Crush, so please stay tuned. By the way guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. I have recently posted another video where I talked about the new bags from the Spring Summer 2020 collection. I shown how all of them look on me, compared different colors, and I also unboxed the bag. I will link down this video in the description box below for you guys so you can check it out. I have to admit that I was a lot more impressed with the Cruz Collection. I purchased quite a few items from that collection, but I'm curious to check out this collection too. There are some new tops and the sweaters that I wanted to show you. So for example, this one, I like the color combination. It's a little bit thick, but the material in the real life is pretty nice. It's very sparkly. I like it a lot. And later I will also try on a sweater with the belt and show you how it looks on me. Actually, that's why I came to the boutique today. So here's a sweater. I wanted to show you the sweater in a bright light. You can see it sparkles. It's quite nice. The only thing is, I'm not very impressed with the way it looks on me. It looks incredible on my friend and she's gonna buy it. It looks so good on her, but I don't find it very flattering on me. I don't know why. Maybe on my skin tone it doesn't show up so nice. I'll try on the red one as well in a second. So here is the red one. What do you guys think about it? I think the previous one was actually better. Please let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. And I also saw this metallic pink jacket. It's nice, but I'm not impressed with the fabric. It just doesn't feel like Chanel to me. You know what I mean? And I also saw this pink jacket that I'm absolutely obsessed with. It's so gorgeous, but unfortunately Chanel doesn't have my size. I'm still waiting for the size 34. And I was also suggested to try on this jacket. Well, the cutting is okay, but then again, the material just doesn't feel like Chanel for the price they're charging. I think it's way too expensive to charge 9k Singapore dollars for something like that. That looks maybe maximum 70 bucks, you know what I mean? It's quite disappointing. I really prefer tweed jackets. Even though this jacket also comes in a pink color, which is prettier than the black, but still I feel like the fabric is not the same. This just doesn't look like Chanel to me. Anyway, I also saw this jacket which is pretty. I wanted to try it on. I'll show you in a minute how it looks on me. The buttons are so pretty and the fabric is so shiny. I like it a lot, and it's actually very light. It's perfect for Singapore weather. So that's how it looks on me. I like it, but I'm not loving it. It does remind me of Balmain structure, big shoulders. It's quite flattering, but I don't know, something is off about it. Do you guys like it? What do you think? Please let me know in the comment section below. I'm very curious to see what you're gonna say. I always like to hear your opinions about some items. It helps me to make a decision as well. I'm quite surprised to see that these two cute items are still available in the store. I do like them a lot. Do you guys like them? Would you consider getting it? Of course, not much can fit in, but I think that they are truly collector's pieces. And I also saw this jacket. I received so many questions about this jacket in the yellow color. I didn't see the yellow one in the store today, and it's pre-spring collection, I believe, but the blue one is nice. And also this bag, it's kind of cute. I wouldn't get it, but I do like the design. I do prefer to get classic items, timeless. And there are also so many beautiful earrings and brooches. I like quite a few, but unfortunately I cannot wear costume jewelry earrings for a long time. I'm allergic, so I can only wear gold, white gold or yellow gold. But I like them a lot, and I still have a few pair at home and I wear them for a couple of hours. I do like these ones with the 5s, they're so cute. I also saw this red lambskin bag, which is very beautiful. It looks really nice in a bright light. It reminds me of the other red bag that I purchased during the 19B collection, and I will link down the videos from that collection and the unboxing in the description box below for you guys. Also, this bag is really pretty. I like it, and some of you guys sent to me a few pictures of this one and a black and white bag. The black and white has not arrived in Singapore yet, but this one is here. It's beautiful, but okay, looking at it in the real life, I realized that I'm more of the leather type of person. It just doesn't feel very expensive. Also, when I opened the bag, it looked like the interior leather already had some scuffs and scratches. I just don't like it. These are so cute. I'm loving the color, and I'll show you another pair which is so stunning. I like these ones too. Unfortunately, they don't have my size. I don't know why Chanel doesn't import all the sizes now anymore, only for classic items, which is frustrating. Some more SLGs, bracelets, brooches. And I'm surprised to see this purple bag is still available. I would expect it to be sold out everywhere. It's pretty. Somebody asked me about it, so guys, if you're looking for it in Singapore, it's still available in Marina Bay Sands. I'm not sure about the new items, but you may want to check with your SA. And I also saw a beautiful Coco Crush collection. I love these 3 rings, they are so pretty. I love to mix different metals, and this is how they look on me. Of course, these aren't in my size, but they are so stunning. And the price of Coco Crush collection is more affordable than other brands, but as long as there's no diamonds. The moment you get the diamonds in, it's just gonna get a lot more expensive. And I also want to try on these earrings. They are pretty, and some of you guys have asked me to try it on before. They are very light, they're small, and they're great for everyday wear. I also like these rings too. I'll try them on later for you guys as well. But somehow it's not easy for me to pull the trigger on Chanel fine jewelry. It's so much easier for me to get another VCA piece or another Cartier piece. I don't know why. So here are the earrings. Really pretty. I like them a lot. I like them, but I'm not sure I'm loving them. If there's a choice between Free Wall or Coco Crush, I would always go for Free Wall. I just really prefer VCA. But I do like their rings. They feel quite substantial. They're not very heavy. I like the design. What do you guys think about this? This ring is too big, but you can kind of imagine how it would look. It's gorgeous. I like the combination of 2 metals. It looks very special. I do think that this design is pretty recognizable. It appears in so many magazines. I've seen it everywhere. And it's beautiful. I do like it a lot. Maybe in the future I could actually consider getting some items from this collection. Maybe a bracelet. I could think about it. But for now I'm gonna stick to Van Cleef and to Cartier because these are my absolutely favorite brands. I just tried on these items just to show it to you guys because I've received quite a few requests. While we are waiting for the bill, let me see what else can I show you. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you that pink bag, which is so cute. I like the strap that can be adjusted. So let's say if you want the strap to be shorter, you can just move this ball. I will try it on and show to you in a second. It's such a gorgeous piece and the color is very beautiful. So here it is up close. It's in lambskin, but I like the fact that it can be adjusted. So if I just press on the ball, I can make the strap longer or shorter, which is so cool. I like it. And actually, if you are a petite girl, it's just so convenient. You can make it in your perfect length. I think it's a great idea. I wish more bags would have this option. It's a beautiful item, definitely. If I didn't have 3 pinks in my collection, I would consider getting it. And I also saw this black bag, which is cute. I know that this is not the one everyone is obsessed with, but this one is really cute too. I like it a lot. Anyways, this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also please consider subscribing to my Instagram account. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!